doing this now. Crawl.
Come on, darling. Let's go. Unfortunately, the window is backwards. Emily, I thought you would want to crawl to mommy.
Apparently not. We're at Kate's birthday party. This couple's from Nebraska. I'm not sure where they're from. Anna?
In Portugal.
Oh, Italy and Portugal.
Yes.
Okay, I'm recording.
Backwards.
You are on film, and you will be on my blog. Hope you don't mind.
My mom wants this also.
Aww.
Hello.
Hi, Mom.
Hi.
What's hi in Maltese?
Hi.
Hi.
But if I say ciao, she understands it.
They speak English as well.
Oh, okay. That's Mark. He's the father.
She's seen him all the time. It's like, you can't notice in their nuns.
Yeah, he likes those red things.
Even in our bed, she takes the headboard.
Yeah, thank you.
Her crib. Before she's even like awake.
He's eating.
I love his bibs. They always
Do-
say something funny.
I don't even know. I think maybe his mom.